Hello. In today's new economy, it seems like everyone has a smartphone, a smartwatch, and a smart TV. Well, shouldn't you also have smart money? Welcome to Dnero. This is our revolutionary global payment solution that consistently breaks new ground. Now, you're going to be able to use your smartphone as your preferred payment method to make everyday purchases at major retailers, restaurants, theaters, and more. And you're going to be able to pay with cash or cryptocurrency with the Dnero application. You can fund your Dnero app with your debit card, credit card, ACH, or even cryptocurrency. Now, the cryptocurrency community is consistently growing, and many users have multiple different altcoins. Well, with Dnero, you can convert crypto to fiat instantly. You can convert cryptocurrencies listed on major exchanges into pro currency. The proc coins become instantly available for you to make purchases at thousands of top brand locations. Now, we understand that consumers love to be incentivized for what they're already doing, including shopping. Cashback programs are absolutely massive, but there's usually a delay in getting that reward, 30 to 60 days. In our platform, we have the first instant cashback platform on the marketplace. So when you go shopping and pay with pro currency at hundreds of top brand locations, you get 3% cashback rewards instantly, and you can use them instantly. Also, if you choose to use cash or USD, you're going to get 2% cashback instantly on the Dnero app. And every time you share the app with someone, one of your friends, family members, business colleagues, you're going to get 1% cashback of all purchases made by your contacts, and 0.5% of their friends' total purchases as well. So you can see it's a win-win situation because we're not changing consumer behavior. Now, technology oftentimes is complex in nature, but with the Dnero app, it's very super simple to use. You just press a couple of buttons, show it to the cashier register, and you're off to the races making your transactions. Now, the benefits of Dnero for merchants is absolutely massive. So when a consumer comes into your establishment and makes a transaction, you're going to be able to receive that money immediately into your business bank account. Let me repeat that. You're going to be able to receive your money in real time from your consumers, even if they're paying with cryptocurrency. Our app automatically does the conversions, the exchange, and deposits that money into your bank account in USD. So how more effective and efficient could you operate your business if you were getting paid in real time from each and every one of your customers? And we have a flat 2% transaction fee all across the board, which puts more money back into your business every single year. And there's no chargebacks and no reserves. Now, let me ask you a question. How would you like to monetize your existing customer base, which is the fastest way to increase revenue for any business? Well, with Dnero, you're going to be able to earn income from customers who shop elsewhere if they sign them up through the Dnero app. And Dnero offers merchants a very creative and innovative system to engage new customers and retain its existing customer base. By geolocation, you're going to be able to advertise to users within proximity of your store location, push notifications where you can send friendly reminders to all of the users, and send out any types of promotions that you want to your existing customers and their friends as well. And there's no additional equipment required for you to utilize this amazing marketing aspect of our Dnero app. And again, there's already tons of the major top retailers on board with the Dnero app. So just imagine again, you monetizing your existing customer base by getting 1% cashback rewards from all of your customers that are referred to download the app and shop at top major brand retailers. So even when they spend money with other businesses, you're earning money. And you also capture an additional 5% on one more referral level with the Dnero app. So join now and become an approved merchant partner with Dnero and usher your consumers into the new economy with smart money. And we hope you make a smart decision. We'll see you soon.